to be a multi-passionate person, sobrang nakakapagod. Alam mo yun, I am Jam, I'm a multi-passionate. Um, I do so many things. In a day, I am a workaholic. Since the day I started working, and I do a lot of freelance work. And when I say a lot of freelance work, hindi lang siya like one type of account, but like multiple type of niche. Like I do have a restaurant client na freelance na I'm doing two things. One is training for restaurant, and second is guest relations. Can you believe that? No? And then and in the virtual assistant side, on the remote work side, I'm doing sourcing, which is HR. And then other side of that, no, when I get out of the freelance hat, freelancer man to, pero I am a full-time content creator too. And I help aspiring VAs land their first client online. And like, kaninang afternoon, I was planning for like a business. No, to ano, to parang to another business na I wanna do. Parang sobrang nakakapagod. Like, on the days you wanna pause, parang ang hirap mag-shutdown. Pero, proud naman ako sa sarili ko. Pero, hindi siya nakakaganda. Ewan ko ba, it's so weird. But, I don't know. I don't know kung... Kayo ba? May ako lang ba ganito? Or ako, meron din mga kagaya ko dito. Comment below. But, I'm happy that I'm able to balance everything. I'm able to balance my, my personal life. Soon, pag pumayat na ako, I'm gonna go for traveling again. Because traveling has been my escape talaga ever since. Pero I need to lose weight lang talaga more para hindi na ako mahirapan sa mga walks, sa mga sa airport pa lang pagod ka na ganyan. So yeah, that's why this year wala akong travel much, no. So I'm focusing on health this year and career. Um Actually, I also teach on the side. Yeah, I teach in college. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Nakaloka, 'di ba? So, and meron siyang pros and cons. Meron siyang pros and cons, and I don't know. Comment below kung ganito ka din, pero I would like to get to know you. Ayan. And if you want to learn about virtual assistants para magsimula, check it out here. Kung para sa inyo. Libre yan. Lahat ng modules ko dito sa YouTube, libre para sa iyo. Bye guys. See you around. Chika tayo sa comment section.